everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I got my first ever boxycharm in the mail, and I wanted to show you guys what I got inside. I already opened it, obviously. It's an unboxing, but more to you guys, but I also didn't like open this stuff yet. I just kind of opened the eyeshadow palette, yeah. Anyways, if anybody wants to see what I got for my boxycharm for the month of April, even though it's May now, then keep on watching. So I know I'm looking a little rough today. I have no makeup on because I got out of work at like 2:15 and it is like 6 something right now. So I didn't even bother putting any on because who cares? And I wanted to film a video for you guys, and you guys already know what I look like without makeup on. Okay, so the first product, well, it's not, I just grabbed one of the products, is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleanser Pore Purifying Mask from the brand Dr. Brandt, which I have not tried anything from them. I saw this in a lot of other people's videos. It is not open yet, thank God. There's actually a seal on this. I heard it was like clear with like blue dots. I didn't actually look yet because I'm not going to try it. That feels weird. I'm not going to try it till maybe tonight because I was going to film it, but nah. But I heard this is like about $48 for this. This little thing is $48. This is a full size. That's fucking expensive. But I'm happy I get to try this in this box. So can't wait to try this probably tonight or tomorrow, whenever I feel like doing it. Alright, the second thing I got is an eyebrow gel. It's the Brow Gal. What is it called? Tinted brow gel with microfibers, and they gave me the light hair one, which I'm kind of pissed about because I can't try it. Because I know my hair is blonde. I'm not naturally blonde, obviously, because it's bleach blonde. I'm naturally dark hair, so I'm probably going to get this to my mom because she has lighter hair than me, of her eyebrows at least, her natural color. But she colors her hair red-ish, yeah. So she is most likely getting this, which kind of sucks because I did want to try it, but if she ever tries it, or if I do her makeup and try it on her, I will let you guys know what I think of it. But I'm going to show you the applicator. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's very light for my hairs. Like, way too light. That is the weirdest little wand ever, though. Oh, that's so weird. I don't use microfiber things. I haven't tried one of these before. I tried, like, a mascara that has it in it, but that's it. But alright, the next product I got is a highlighter, and I'm actually really excited for this because some people were getting these, some people were getting brushes. Like, I like getting brushes, but I love highlighters, and it's from Tarte. And I've only tried Tarte's lip products, that's it. So it's the Tarte High, yeah, that's brand, I'm so stupid. Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Stunner. And I think this is the latest shade, I'm not really sure. But it's like, it looks like rose gold when you put it on, but like good for my skin tone, which is great for the summer. Oh, that was probably way too much. It's kind of gold tinted, but if I use a little bit and then mix it with another highlighter, it would work. But isn't that is like so pretty. I think that'll be fine for my skin tone, I'm not really sure. It looks kind of gold if I reflect it a little bit and move it around. But I think it'll work if I put like a lighter highlighter on top. But these are really pretty, and I was kind of trying it earlier, but not really. It does dry down, so it doesn't stay sticky, which is good because some liquid highlighters do that. But that is the shade, what did I say it was? Stunner. This next one I'm very excited about. I already opened it because I like couldn't help myself, but it's a ColourPop palette. I haven't tried anything from ColourPop at all. Especially their eyeshadow palettes. I've been dying to try stuff from ColourPop, just hadn't had the chance to. And they put a ColourPop palette in here, and I think these are like around $16. Not really sure, I'm probably totally wrong. But I got the Element of Surprise palette. Comes with how many shades? 12 shades. That's not bad. Well, yeah, it's not bad. But it's got all these shades in it. It's got that pop of pink in there. It's got those burgundy type shades and a ton of metallic shimmer shades, which I can't wait to use. I might film a video using all this, well, most of this stuff tomorrow while I do my makeup. Not really sure. But I'm gonna swatch all the shades for you guys just so you know what they look like, since I'm not using them. So that is the shade Rayon. I don't even know if you guys can see that. I probably swatched that horribly. That is Rayon. The next one is Silk Street. It's this pretty coppery gold color. Oh, that's so pretty. I want to use that like now. Like swatching when they don't even come off your fingers. That is Silk Street. Alright, this burgundy shade right here. Okay, I need to swatch these better. This burgundy shade right here is Late Night, and this orangey one down here is Feels. Pretty orangey type of, it looks like a duochrome kind of, I'm not really sure, but that berry shade is like everything. Okay, so this peachy shade on the top is Labyrinth, I don't know how to say it. That's that peachy shade up there. It is really pretty. It's like a nudie type of a peach shade. The next one is Opulent. It's this really light lavender shade with little reflex of blue glitter. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's really pretty and I can't wait to use that shade. I'm like, the next one is this really vibrant pink I'm loving so much. Oh my god. It's called Subdue. And it's just this bright, straight up neon pink color. It's so pretty. And that one is like those are probably like my true favorite. I don't know. This palette's really cute, and I haven't tried Pop Shadows. These are making me want to buy like a ton of them. Ugh. The next one is Go With The Flow. Well, yeah, that kind of goes with that shade. It's a kind of a burnt type of orange, rusty color. I don't really know. So this first shade up here is Peace of Mind, which I think I'm going to use this shade tomorrow when I go to the mall, because I'm going to the mall after I get out of work. Well, a couple hours after I get out of work. But it's this super pretty red. It's like a cherry red almost. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I might use that more than the other one. I'm not really sure. It's really cute. Oh, fuck. The next shade is Details. That's a weird name for a shade. It's like this kind of brownish orangish shade. I don't have any brown, so I'm really happy there's more browns in this palette. But the next shade is Sea Stars. This one is very unique. I've never seen a shade like this, ever. It's brown, but it's got pink reflex of glitter. You can probably see it better in the light if I kind of, yeah, move my arm. It's so cool. The last shade on this palette is Blank Canvas. Oh my god. I think I want to use this on top of my lid tomorrow as just after I've used the other red shades. But I think I'm going to go like all red tomorrow. I don't even know. It's this super pretty red metallic. Oh my god. It's kind of orange tinted, but also kind of pink. These are really pigmented shadows. I am so impressed with these. I haven't tried them yet, but the swatches are making me very happy, and I'm glad this came in my first ever boxycharm. Like, that makes me so fucking happy. And $21 for this stuff is pretty damn good. And I just realized there was a card in here. I didn't even notice it because it was kind of hidden behind the foam. So I'm going to talk to you guys about it a second because I didn't notice it till now. Before I show you the little card, I forgot the last product that's in here. It's a liquid lipstick. It's from the brand Edis, New York. High definition liquid lipstick. I don't know what shade I got. I did not get the MAC one because I got this brand, which I'm kind of happy about because the MAC one kind of sucked. And it doesn't really drive matte. So, I haven't tried anything from MAC and I don't really want to because they're just, I don't know. A lot of people use MAC. These are like brands I have not tried before. I've heard of ColourPop and Tarte, but these are other brands. Oh, this shade. This is a big ass tube. Holy shit. I got the shade. I don't know. It doesn't tell me what shade I got. That's not very helpful, but okay. Maybe it's on here. Okay. This applicator reminds me of the e.l.f. liquid lipsticks. The new ones that they have. It's literally like, I think it's from the e.l.f. one. Pretty sure it is. Don't know. Might be wrong. It smells so good. Oh my god. It smells like candy or something. I'm not even sure. So I think I got the shade Debbie's Fave. Wait, no. I don't know. I don't know what the hell the shade's called. It doesn't tell you. It just says faves. What the hell is the fave? I don't know. I don't understand boxycharm yet. I'm gonna get used to it. But I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. Ooh, this feels really nice. I think I'm wearing this tomorrow. I thought it was going to be more pink, because the way some people are showing it looks more pink on camera. This looks more brownish, reddish. Oh, it's so cute though. It looks like it's not matte. It kind of looks like a satin finish, but it's glossy right now because I literally just put it on. But maybe it'll be very comfortable, who knows. But this is a really cute shade. So, the boxycharm card, that's literally like 10 inches long. No. It says eye candy, because I guess that was the theme for this month. So, the first product is the Tarte's Pogo Liquid Highlighter. Originally $29. Holy shit, that's expensive for a liquid highlighter. I got my e.l.f. one for like $4. Fuck. Okay, the ColourPop palette was $16. Element of Surprise Eyeshadow Palette. Says all 4 finishes: matte, metallic, satin, and duochrome. Yeah, I knew there was duochrome, I could tell from there. Okay, Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleanser, $47. Okay, that's $1 off, but close enough. That's expensive for a face mask. I don't think I'll ever pay that much for a face mask. Okay, next is the Brow Gal Tinted Eyebrow Gel, which was not my shade. $22? Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous. Yeah, no. Next is the liquid lipstick, the Odyssey High Definition Liquid Lipstick. What does it even say? Because I don't know anything about this lipstick. Filter-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, yeah. Creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides dazzling, full coverage of a lipstick, blah, blah, blah. Next, on the back, there's actually 2 little, like, coupon type of things, which is pretty cool. Oh, they're still going on. I was like, is this expired? And I just got my boxycharm. That'd be kind of fucked up. I get the Dr. Brand would say VIP offer. Visit us at Sephora.com, search Pores No More to access a special limited edition pore refiner primer bundle offer just for you. Hurry else. Why is that? So what if they're all gone? You can't get one then? That's fucked up. For the Tarte one, you get 10% off orders on Tarte.com. The code AprilBoxy. So I'm happy with everything I got in here so far, minus the brow gel. I haven't tried anything in here yet, actually, so I can't really tell you my full thoughts on it, but I am going to be filming a video of me using all these products, probably. So if anybody hasn't tried out boxycharm, I highly recommend it to you guys. I'm not even joking. This isn't sponsored, like, at all. It's just, I really wanted to try this box for a really long time. I was going to try Ipsy, but I was like, yeah, no. I could spend $10 on something better, literally. So I tried this because I heard this was a million times better. But hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys want to see in future videos, because I don't have much time to film. I don't know. My filming schedule is very wonky lately because of my job. So I'm trying my best, trying to have a video at least up every week or every other week. It's really hard to do sometimes. And love you guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. Check out my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video.